Hi, welcome to Strategic Vision Mission. In this video, we are going to learn about master's admission process in New Zealand. Starting your master's in New Zealand is a structured process that involves careful planning and preparation. Here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, let's have a quick look into the list of processes. And now let's discuss each process in detail. Firstly, research programs and universities. Explore universities in New Zealand offering master's programs in your field of interest. Some top universities include University of Auckland, Victoria University of Wellington, University of Otago, University of Canterbury, Massey University. After selecting the university, the next step would be checking the program details. Figure out the course structure, if it is taught or research-based, and find the entry requirements and the duration, which should be usually 1 to 2 years. Now the second step would be checking eligibility criteria. For this, basically ensure you meet the basic requirements. That means a recognized bachelor's degree, minimum equivalent to a New Zealand bachelor's degree. Proof of English language proficiency, IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE scores. Relevant work experience, if required for certain programs. Next step is preparing the required documents. For this, gather all the necessary documents for your application. Those include academic transcripts and degree certificates, English proficiency test scores, IELTS, 6.5 plus overall, TOEFL, 90 plus IBT, PTE, 58 plus. Statement of purpose, SOP. Letters of recommendation, 2 to 3 from professors or employers. Updated resume/CV. Passport copy. Now the exciting part would be apply to the universities. For this, we need to apply directly on the university's official website. Most applications are online. Pay the application fee, if applicable, and submit all required documents before the application deadline. Then, wait for admission offers. After applying, universities will assess your application. You may be asked to attend an interview or submit additional information. Once selected, you'll receive an offer of place. Next crucial step is to arrange your finances. First, calculate the cost of tuition and living expenses in New Zealand. Here is an estimated cost. Tuition fee would be approximately NZD 22,000 to 45,000 per year, varies by program. And living expenses would be around NZD 15,000 to 20,000 per year. And most importantly, you need to explore scholarships for international students if you are an internation student. There will be a possibility of getting New Zealand scholarships by the government. Also, university-specific scholarships would be another option, example, University of Auckland International Student Excellence Scholarship. Finally, there are external scholarships, example, Commonwealth scholarships, which you can try. Now, once you have your admission offer, apply for a New Zealand student visa, fee-paying student visa. Submit all the documents including proof of admission, financial capacity, and health insurance. Most importantly, health check and police clearance may be required. Remember, visa processing time will be around 20 to 30 working days. Then the next step would be planning for accommodation. You need to decide on your living arrangements. There are a couple of options available. One is on-campus housing, and another option is off-campus options like shared apartments or homestays. Book your accommodation early to secure a spot. Now, it's time to fly. You need to book your flights and prepare for arrival. Book your flight to New Zealand, ideally a month before your course starts. Familiarize yourself with the city, climate, and local culture. Ensure you have health insurance, as it is mandatory for international students. You're arrived. Now, it's time to attend the university's orientation program for international students. But don't forget to open a local bank account and get a student ID. And you can explore opportunities for part-time work, up to 20 hours per week allowed on a student visa. All done. You are all set for your study in New Zealand. Finally, here are some pro tips. Start the process 8 to 12 months before your intended intake. Apply to multiple universities to increase your chances. Join online forums or groups for international students in New Zealand for support and advice. Good luck with your master's journey in New Zealand. If you want any further information, don't hesitate to comment on this video. If you feel that this information is useful for you, don't forget to like and share this video. If you want more interesting topics and career tips, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to press the bell icons for notifications.